This cordless buffer from Protmex feels genuinely convenient in real use, since you are not fighting a power cord while working around the vehicle. The dual 21-volt batteries with generous capacity give you enough runtime for a full detail, and having a spare charged pack on hand keeps the job moving without interruption. Its upgraded eccentric action and pure copper motor spread polish evenly and reduce the risk of burning through clear coat, which is reassuring if you are not a professional. 6 clearly stepped speed settings let you slow things down for waxing or crank it up for defect removal, making the tool versatile for everything from quick maintenance to more serious correction. Despite the solid power, the machine remains light in the hand, so longer polishing sessions are easier on your arms and shoulders. The included assortment of pads, covers, and sandpapers means you can tackle paint correction, waxing, and even projects on furniture or metal surfaces right out of the box.